Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off your car in Need for Speed Heat. This simple trick is incredibly useful for staying hidden from the authorities. When you're stopped and need to go unnoticed, shutting down your engine can make all the difference. It also provides a moment of quiet from the constant roar of your high-performance vehicle, letting you plan your next move. To turn off your engine on a PlayStation console, simply press the L1 button and the square button at the same time. If you are playing on an Xbox console, you will need to press the LB button and the X button simultaneously. This action is only possible when your vehicle is at a complete standstill, so make sure you've fully braked before attempting it. This engine shutdown feature is a tactical advantage, especially when evading the police. By turning off your engine, you reduce your car's presence, making it easier to blend into the environment and escape detection. Once the coast is clear, or you're ready to resume driving, simply press the accelerator pedal to instantly restart your engine and get back into the action. After a thrilling night of racing, it's crucial to secure your progress. Head to any safe house or garage, as entering these locations triggers an automatic save of your game. When you're ready to finish your session, you can exit the game through the main menu or by returning to your console's dashboard. This ensures all your hard-earned progress is safely stored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.